Yes, you are welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to GB Film Forte. So I just got this. Guess what? I know you've been hearing so many voices under my video. But with this, I am going to actually be able to minimize all of the noises under my video. And guess what? It's actually a gift. Yes, I need you to know that God is actually blessing with wonderful people who are actually supporting what I do. And one key person that I just want to appreciate God for is my husband. Trust me, I remember I was just saying, and I need a mic. I was just saying it. I remember I just said it. It wasn't like I was just saying it, and then before I knew it, he came and said, and he just brought the box of the microphone. I'm like, yeah. So at the end of the day, you find out that, of course, my USB port is definitely different from this. This is actually type C. Then he said, okay, he was going to get me something to, convert it, and he got me something I can use to convert. So I'm just going to be using this effortlessly, despite the fact that my charging port is not type C. So this is going to help me to still be able to use the microphone. So please, I just want you to help me to shout out to him and say God bless you, and thank you so much. Also, everyone supporting my channel, everyone sharing my video, I want you to know that I'm not taking it for granted, and God has been faithful. Thank you so much. So let's look out to a clearer audio on my videos. Yeah.